Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy another store ulit. Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy another Shopify store. So, all you have to do is head over to Shopify and log into your Shopify store that you want to copy. Then, next in the left panel, just click on Online Store. Then next, just beside your current theme, click on this three dot icon, then click on Download Theme File. The theme files will then be emailed to your email account, so proceed by clicking on Send Email. Next is just head over to your email, then look for the email from Shopify, and proceed to download your theme files. Next is head over to Shopify and log into the store in which you want to apply the same theme with the other store. And from here, just click on Online Store once again. Next is just click on Import Theme and Upload Zip File. Next is just click on Add File and select the file that you downloaded from your email and open it. Then click on Upload File. From here, once the theme is done importing, you can now proceed by publishing it. And now we have successfully copied another Shopify store. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye.